How many kinds of noun? There are 6 kinds of noun: common, proper, collective, abstract, countable, and uncountable. First of all comes common noun. It is the name of a common person, place, and thing. For example, boy, girl, city, and tree. Common nouns are the names of common person, places, and things. Next is proper noun. It is the name of a particular person, place, and thing. For example, Jinnah is the name of a particular person. Islamabad is the name of a particular city. And apple tree is the name of a particular tree. So, proper nouns are the names of specific persons and things which are not common. Next is collective noun. A collection or group of persons and things is called collective noun. For example, the word army is used for group of soldiers. The word fleet is used for collection of ships. The word flock is used for group of birds. So collective noun is used for collection of things and persons. Next is abstract noun. It is the name of a concept, feeling, expression, quality, action, and state. For example, democracy is a concept, love is a feeling, anger is an expression, kindness is a quality, laughter is an action, and childhood is a state. So, abstract noun is the name of those concepts which we can perceive through our senses. After abstract noun comes countable noun. It is the name of objects or people that we can count. For example, book, pen, apple, boy, doctor. So, the names of those things which we can count are called countable nouns. Next is uncountable noun. The names of those things which we cannot count and they are just measurable are called uncountable nouns. For example, milk, sugar, oil, and sand. The names of those things which are just measurable are called uncountable nouns.